Have you ever thought, what if a meme could make me rich? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what Pepe Coin is doing for thousands of people. Stick around because today we are diving into the wild world of Pepe Coin, the crypto inspired by the internet's favorite frog that's turning laughs into life-changing money. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Purity, where we break down the most fascinating trends in crypto and blockchain. Today we are talking about Pepe Coin, a meme coin that's not just funny but also making waves in the financial world. Whether you are a crypto newbie or someone who's been trading for years, this story will blow your mind. By the end of this video, you will know why Pepe is more than just a joke. And who knows, it might just be your next big investment opportunity. Alright, let's start with the basics. Pepe Coin, also known as Pepe, is a cryptocurrency inspired by the iconic Pepe the Frog meme. It launched in April 2023 and quickly became one of the hottest meme coins on the Ethereum blockchain. But why all the hype? Well, it's not just about nostalgia. It's about community. The creators didn't even reserve tokens for themselves. They handed them all over to the public. That move alone made people feel like they were part of something bigger. Now you might be wondering, is this just another random coin? Not quite. Pepe Coin has some cool features that make it stand out. Deflationary design. Every transaction burns a small portion of tokens, meaning there's less supply over time. Basic economics says less supply equals higher demand. No transaction taxes. Unlike other cryptos that charge fees for every trade, Pepe Coin keeps it simple and cost-free. Community power. The coin thrives on its passionate fan base. People love Pepe memes and they are using that love to drive this coin forward. Let's talk about why everyone from casual traders to hardcore investors is buzzing about Pepe Coin. First off, it skyrocketed in value within weeks of its launch, hitting billions in market cap. But it hasn't been all smooth sailing. In August 2023, there was drama when tokens were moved from project wallets to exchanges. People panicked. Luckily, the team burned a chunk of those tokens to restore faith. And guess what? It worked. The community railed behind it stronger than ever. So here's the million-dollar question, literally. Should you invest in Pepe Coin? Experts are split. Some say it's just hype. Others believe it has long-term potential because of its deflationary model and massive community backing. Predictions suggest its price could grow significantly by 2030. But remember, meme coins are risky business. If you are thinking about jumping in, make sure you do your research first. Pepe Coin isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's a cultural phenomenon blending internet humor with financial innovation. Whether it becomes the next Bitcoin or fades into meme history depends on how its community and developers play their cards. So what do you think? Is Pepe Coin a genius idea or just another fad? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun and fascinating crypto stories. Then see you next time. I'm Swagata and you're watching Crypto Purity.